Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to make a smoother double yarn over than you normally would. That was the one side. Here's the other side because this hat's reversible. This is the Monarch hat if you're interested. All right, so I have my swatch here. I've worked the first 4 rows. Here's the instructions if you would like to follow along. All right, for the 5th row, we are now going to bring in the double yarn over. I'm going to purl 2. Knit 2 together. Double yarn over. There's 1, there's 2. Work a slip, slip, knit. Purl 2. Knit 2 together. Double yarn over. Slip, slip, knit. Purl 2. Now our swatch is being worked flat, but the hat's worked in the round. So this double yarn over on the hat is knit stitches. If we turn this over, it's going to be purl stitches. So we're going to do a cheating thing. You'll see I'm on double pointed needles here. I'm going to slide my work to the end. So here's my working tail. I'm going to leave a little bit in the back. Pick up my working yarn again and start down here. I'm going to purl 2. Knit 1. We have come to the double yarn over. Now normally when you have a double yarn over, to get both loops and retain the number of stitches that you had before, you would knit and then you would purl. It leaves a bump. You see that bump right there? This guy right here. I didn't want that. So instead, I knit in the front. Then I knit into the back loop, which means coming back here. Takes a second because you don't want to grab that next stitch. And knit back here. It's twisted, but it doesn't leave as much of a bump. Because this color is really light, it's difficult to see. So it's right here. Here's the knit in the front. Here's the knit in the back. You can see the stitch twists. I'm okay with the twist. I don't like the bumps so much. I'll show you again on that next one. I knit 1 and then purl 2. Knit 1. Knit in the front. Knit in the back. Not the other stitch. And then knit 1. Purl 2. I'm going to go ahead and work that next row back so you can see what it looks like on here. All right, last stitch. And here we are, no bumps. And that is how you work 2 knits into the same double yarn over. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!